Villarin insists Duterte could be impeached for releasing names on narcolist. Akbayan party list Representative Tom Villarin has insisted that President Rodrigo Duterte may still be held liable for an impeachment offense in releasing the list of public officials supposedly involved in drugs, as there was malice to deny them of due process. Villarin made the remark on Saturday after presidential spokesperson Salvador Panlo said the lawmaker's remark was pure nonsense. President Duterte's act of naming public officials in a so-called narcolist on the basis of administrative complaints filed in the Ombudsman would still face scrutiny for an impeachable offense, as there was malice or intent to deprive these individuals of their constitutionally guaranteed rights to due process, privacy and presumption of innocence, Villarin said. Panlo said the reading of the names in the narcolist is compared to releasing the names of criminal suspects who have already been charged before the office of the Ombudsman. Such act cannot be considered a legal transgression, and even more so, an impeachable offense, Panlo added. But Villarin said the plug-and-play has admitted there are not enough evidence to file complaints against those on narcolist. He added that Philippine National Police spokesperson Colonel Bernard Banac said that only criminal administrative complaints have so far been filed against the public officials in the list based on various testimonies. Any lawyer worth his salt knows that administrative cases against public officials are a dime a dozen and goes with the territory. Any citizen can initiate or file an administrative complaint against a public official and the Ombudsman, even anonymous complaints, Villarin said. I dare Attorney Salvador Panlo to also name the thousands of public officials who have administrative cases if mere filing of administrative cases is enough to make public such accusations, much less being linked to illegal drugs, he added. Villarin compared the administration's shame campaign to a broken record played again and again to sow fear, intimidation, and violence against its critics. Attorney Panlo cannot hide behind legal gobbledygook of which he is known for. He can cite Latin doctrines and continue to amuse us non-lawyers, but one thing is certain, no one, not even the president, can be above the Constitution, he said. In the end, we all know that impeachment is a political process and enumerates a wide array of impeachable offenses from which to choose, from culpable violation of the Constitution to betrayal of public trust, he added.